one thing rings true. Our growth cannot be separated from you. Mama Africa is reaching out, beckoning her children home.
The fourth edition of the Africaribbean Trade and Investment Forum 2025 transformed Grenada into a hub for influential leaders and decision makers as delegates converged to discuss bolstering Africa-Caribbean economic cooperation amidst global uncertainty. During the presidential panel titled The New World Order, an opportunity for strengthening Africa-Caribbean trade, investment, and cultural relations, Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre underscored the significance of the day's proceedings.
All of us in this room, we're here for two purposes. One, to create wealth. I mean, if you're a business, you want to create wealth and you want to make profit. And two, if you're a politician, you want to improve the lives of people. You want to improve the quality of life of people. You want to improve their standard of living.
The event aims to leverage the power of information flows to unlock new opportunities by facilitating the exchange of trade, investment, and market insights between the two regions. As Prime Minister Pierre noted, this represents not only a significant step in advancing both regions, but also a transformative leap toward improving the lives of their people.
We can't assume that the years of history, the years of when people did not really know what Africa was about and what was the potential of Africa. So whilst we develop all the economic factors and the business factors, we have to ensure that the people are not left behind.
In its efforts to strengthen ties with Africa, St. Lucia recently hosted Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This strategic partnership has already created opportunities for St. Lucia nationals to pursue academic studies in Nigeria. Prime Minister Pierre remains optimistic that the emergence of a new middle passage between Africa and the Caribbean, founded on trade, educational exchange, and shared economic opportunities, will pave the way for long-term prosperity for both regions.
We have to ensure that our children think of going to study in Africa or going to study in some other country. We have to think that the people in our region want to buy goods from Africa. So what I'm advocating for is, in tandem with the economic trade, etc., we need to have a people-to-people involvement. We have to bring the people on board so that people can understand and support what's happening in this room today. Thank you very much.
The event concluded on July 30th, with stakeholders standing in solidarity, anticipating an increase in trade and investment, stronger partnerships, and critical trade exchanges between Africa and the Caribbean. Zola Jalfred, HDS News Force.
A CARICOM payment and settlement system has been introduced to redefine